Greetings everyone. So here is how you can mirror your Android device to PC. Now to mirror your phone, we will be using this software Scrcpy, which is free, provided by Genymobile. So we will be using this application. Simply click on Releases and click here, scroll down and download as per your system. We are using a 64-bit Windows PC. Let me quickly download this. So the download is done. Let me show in folder and let me quickly extract it here. So the file is here. Let me cut it to the desktop. So it is here. Let me open this. Now you can open Scrcpy with console or without console. Before opening this, make sure to connect your phone. Let me quickly connect it. So the phone has been connected. Now open this Scrcpy console. Now it could not find any ADV device and the connection failed. To fix this, you need to enable USB debugging, and this is not rooting your phone. Anyway, let me quickly switch to my Android phone. So I am on my phone. Open the settings. Here is the settings. Scroll down. Tap on About Phone, go to Software Information and find Build Number and tap this multiple times so the developer mode has been enabled. After that, you will see Developer Mode option here. Tap on it, scroll down, make sure the USB debugging is on. Let me turn this on and OK. So it is done. Let me quickly switch to the PC and open this again. And here is our phone. You can actually control this with the mouse, and you can see it is working all great. If you do not like this CMD console, you can also directly open this, and this will work without the console. But make sure the phone is connected and the USB debugging mode is on. Thank you very much.